Today is the iPhone 17 release date and I'm actually on my way to the office before I go to collect my phone. This video is actually going to show you how a day plans out for a person like me who's trying to juggle the office lifestyle and a YouTube channel and want to sort of record my experience. I have seen initial videos of the device and I'm in two minds at the moment. I mean, initially when it was announced and all the YouTubers have released the videos, everything looked really good. I mean, it beat my sort of expectations, the new aluminium body and the dual tone finishing. But then after that, when more videos started to release, I'm kind of glad I went for the color that I went for. And also I'm in two minds. I'm not really sure it is the best looking iPhone device. Hopefully the software and hardware can combine and make a better impression than the hardware at the moment, because the phone doesn't look really good. But you know, it's not about how good it looks, it's about how better it performs, because it's going to go behind a case anyway. So I'll give you another update before I go to pick up the phone. Hi guys, evening update. I didn't manage to finish work on time. I'm slightly late by 30 minutes, but hopefully I can catch the next train and be there on my pickup for time. I do expect the queue to be there. I don't think I'd be able to sort of pick it up as soon as I go there. I believe there's going to be some sort of, queuing system, ticketing system, and probably get my hands on the device in like maybe 45 minutes. But when you have a really busy day, everything kind of pales into significance. Right, I got to get the work done. I got to finish on time. I got to make sure I got all my stuff and gear ready to pick it up. I mean, I've seen some of the videos on the internet. I've already seen the unboxing, drop test and everything. I mean, when you buy it as a personal device, it's not something that you really care about. I don't really know why people need to sort of, do the drop test and stuff like that. But I'm still going to be dailying this Z Fold 7. The iPhone 17 Pro is going to be for the family. I'll try to give my honest review of that. I am excited, despite the fact that, it does look a little bit underwhelming. It is what it is. An iPhone, it will sell more. But let's see. Let me pick it up. I'll give you an update. I'll try to sort of give a run around in terms of how the whole process is. If not, I'll try to film as much as possible and then open the box and then give my quick first impression. But yeah, it's been a busy day. Let's go pick it up. But there's two things that surprised me. One, I've mentioned that I will be dailying the Z Fold 7, and it turns out that the video is really, really choppy. I'm not really sure what's going on there, so I need to look into that. So if the video is choppy, apologies for that. And the store is rather really, really quiet, even though all the stocks are supposed to be sold out. The queue wasn't big as the last time. I was last time in that store at iPhone 15, but it's really, really empty at the moment. And the whole pickup process was fairly easily. So let's just go through the phone here. So obviously the blue iPhone 17 Pro Max, it is the 512 GB. So they have handed me the correct phone, they always do. The box seems a little bit damaged. The box is small. It smells like recycled cardboard. But yeah, let's open it and I'll give you my quick first impression of how it feels. But subscribe and follow for more for the initial review of this unit. All right, now for the first time. Right. Cool. That is the iPhone 17 Pro Max in rather matching blue color. So if you would have got the clue, I'm not really sure what to think of it, to be honest. I didn't like the design before, not that I like it now. Right. So that is the phone. It comes with your standard cable and standard SIM ejector. We should be really grateful Apple's chucking all of this for us, soon they'll take it away. Initially in the hand, actually it feels like an iPhone. It feels much more smoother. So let's open this. Right, I might as well just turn it around here and go. Bam. I think the thing is it's very underwhelming here. Like my initial impressions would be that there's just too much of space at this point in time, and there's also this very flush. Before there would be like a distinctive sort of space between the sort of the material and the lenses, but now it feels very flush. That's why it feels like everything has just gone inside. That's a Fold 7. This is iPhone 17 Pro Max. What do you think looks more premium from the back, from the side, right? From all corners, what would you actually go for? I'm very scared of actually putting them next to each other because I think they might scratch. But I don't know what feels better on the hands. This obviously is smaller. This is much more wider. This is narrow. You can see I've got so used to the narrow screen now. But it no longer cuts in your hand like that. Innovation comes in many different forms, right? You actually innovate something as new as, let's say, iPhone Air would be an innovation, or the Vision Pro would be an innovation, in my opinion. A design change, some people can say is an innovation, or a form factor like this, it's a massive innovation. The reason why I bought it is it's very thin like that, right? I would say it's innovation, but innovation can come in many designs. It depends on what cloak you wear and what you like. But I think hardware-wise, I think maybe we're too critical because this design is a shocking design, right, from Apple. But one thing I would say is, though, when we went to the accessories and stuff like that to see how much the accessories is, it starts at £50, £60, and those things that you wear to sort of maybe the ones like a chain where you strap to your phone. Does it not feel like shopping at the Apple Store feels like going to Disneyland, where you think you're getting a fun experience, but you end up having to pay more and more and more and more, and then you come out of that thinking like, do I need all of that? But anyway, I think let's put this to test, right? I'll give you guys my honest opinion about this, and yeah, subscribe and follow for more.